Do you want to discover how to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, recording any videos, or making any videos? I know it sounds crazy, but my name is Matt Parr, and I run 9 different YouTube channels, and I make money on YouTube without ever showing my face. And I put together this program called Tube Secrets, which reveals my exact step-by-step blueprint for doing this correctly. Within Tube Secrets, you're going to discover how to choose a niche and some of the best niches on YouTube, how to actually make and optimize your YouTube channel. A lot of people talk about optimizing their videos, but this shows you how to actually optimize your channel, which is really important. It reveals how to generate and upload videos without ever showing your face or getting behind a camera. I'm going to reveal to you how to optimize YouTube videos to get millions of views. And most importantly, I'm going to reveal how to make money on YouTube and potentially make up to 10 times more money than most YouTubers. And you might be saying, Matt, how is this program so cheap? Well, the reason I price Tube Secrets so cheap is actually for a very selfish reason. I sincerely want you to get results, and I want you to start making money on YouTube so I can use you as a case study for future people to join this program, and so hopefully we can maybe do business together in the future. And because of that, this program will only be this cheap for so long. This is a limited time offer, so if you want to join Tube Secrets at the cheapest this program will ever be, then you can simply click that red button below this video. And I really look forward to working with you if you want to work with me. I put so much time and energy into Tube Secrets, making it the best it possibly could be to ensure that you can get results and start making money on YouTube without ever making any videos, without showing your face, without anything like that, without even getting in front of a camera. So if you want to discover how to do it, just click that button below this video. I really look forward to getting started working with you, and I really look forward to revealing to you this incredible information and this incredible blueprint and system and business model so you can replicate it for yourself. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for considering jumping into Tube Secrets. I really look forward to hopefully seeing you on the inside, and hopefully I'll see you within Tube Secrets.